Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing the watch and environment. Update watch OS and iOS so battery optimizations are available, and inspect the charger for wear. Plug in the magnetic puck to a known good power source. Make sure the watch is off a metal surface. Once done, remove bulky cases and disable Always on Display to reduce screen drain. You should also enable wrist detection and set brightness to about 50%. These immediate steps cut needless cycles and stabilize charging behavior. Now focus on habits that shape long-term battery health. You should limit background app refresh and silence non-essential notifications so the watch wakes less often. Adjust health sampling rates and turn off continuous metrics when not needed. This reduces sensor load. Charge strategically by topping to 80–90% for daily use and avoid nightly full cycles every day, because frequent full charges stress lithium cells. Once these habits are set, monitor battery health in settings and watch the percent of maximum capacity over weeks. To finish, enable optimized battery charging so the watch learns your schedule and delays the final 20% until needed. Calibrate the battery about every 1 to 2 months by charging fully once, then letting it drain to near zero, which helps accurate reporting. Store the device at roughly 50% charge for extended periods and avoid high temperatures above 35 degrees C. If you see sudden rapid drain, reboot and, if needed, unpair and repair the watch. Contact Apple support only after software fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.